So today I came to a new playground and I wanted to test something else. I've been flying now this GEPRC Skip HD3 for a while now. I really like how it flies in general. And I've been actually flying it on tri-blade props, in particular the Avon Rush 2.5 inch props. But today we're gonna try a new prop and see how that handles. Okay, here we go. Let's go for the first test of these new props. Channel R8, looking good. I am flying a brand new spot, so let's see how that works out. Record. The handling is exceptional. In general, I really like how the Avon Rush 2.5 inch props, the tri-blade ones, handle. This is not too far off from what I can tell. The typical plenty of control handling you would expect from a tri-blade prop requires like very easy to fly, very easy to handle. If cine whooping and smooth curves are your thing, I guess that's one of the reasons why I like the tri-blade props. At the same time, I'm taking a look here at the AMPS drone, and we're about 4.5, 4, 5 amps drone. 4.2. Not too shabby. Bear in mind, I am flying right now on just 2S. But yeah, for cine whoopish experience, this is pretty cool. It works. I'm not as brave as I would normally be at one of my regular flying spots, because this is literally the first pack I ever fly at this spot. So it is what it is. But it's a cool spot to fly. Small playground. It's actually completely empty right now, so no one else here except for my son and my wife. Two and a half minutes of cruising. Still going strong. Batteries at 3.8 volts per cell. But again, I'm like really chilling. I'm just totally cine whooping, like cruising. And go up here to the. Oh, that's a tree that I couldn't see. And I did not expect, so I had to bank out of that. Okay.
What are we doing? What is that here? It's right there.
Du kan du gå där igenom.
Whoa, that's a tree. And we're at about 3.7 volts, so we could start thinking about landing. Not too shabby. 4.5 minutes of flight time and not even going down to 3.5 volts on the battery. Now I'm gonna fly definitely one more pack and see how it goes, but yeah, I can say I like how these fly. And we're gonna go for one more flight, and let's end it. It's funny, just after one pack on in a new spot, you could immediately be so much more brave after that first exploratory pack. You do a bunch of exploration and you figure out the spot. Now, this is quite a tight park, but surprisingly flyable. Kind of want to dive these trees there, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go around here and then we're gonna punch it. So far so good, actually. Behaves pretty nice. Exceptional. These are some really cool props. I like to give credit where credit is due, and I think those were recommended to me by a viewer, and I'll definitely make sure to link their name in the comments if they would like credit for that. But big up, those are good props for small little quads like that. for the last test, we're gonna send it on this 4S battery. And once again, I just like to say that the tri-blade props are definitely not recommended on this GEPRC Skip HD3 model. But let's see how we fare. It flies just fine on 2S, but yeah, on 4S I'd be like just a bit worried, but let's see. Still kind of curious. I think also that's gonna be way too much power for the spot I'm flying here, because it's quite a tight spot, but let's see how it goes. Go like this, and let's record video feed, and let's go. Jesus. Funny thing about 4S and this quad is that even at just like 20% throttle, the quad just takes off. Like it just starts gaining altitude immediately. It's kind of hard to fly it like in a cine-whoopish timid style on 4S. Like you really need to be barely touching the throttle. But you could make it work like this. I think that's pretty decent. On the other hand, if you want power, well, 4S will deliver that power big time. So I'm gonna go for one more mini lap here first. Just relaxing, getting used to that throttle feel, and then we're gonna punch it. Here's a cheeky little tunnel. I kind of want to go through there, but I'm not sure if there wouldn't be any people coming in through there. So yeah, the first mini punch. We're gonna go down around here, and we're gonna then try to dive these trees here, or you know, fail at diving them and go again. A bit tricky because I'm flying against the sun. But yeah, definitely don't get me wrong, it's not like I don't recommend flying this quad on 4S. I totally do. That's what it's intended to be flown on. So if you want to fly it on 4S, go for it. If you just want to fly it with the bi-blade props, go for it. Just, you know, have fun. I do prefer tri-blade props, mostly for handling. And I feel like those tri-bladed props that we're trying now are not that taxing on the battery. And on the Armstrong in particular. Let's take a look at that now. Three amps, 7 amps. It's actually surprisingly fun. I haven't had the chance to fly in quite a long time, unfortunately, for reasons, but I just love it. You just relax and like cruise around, explore spots. I don't want to go there because I believe that's somebody's property, and I don't want to fly on their property. Yeah, 4 minutes flight, 3.7 volts on the battery. Dancing with trees. too shabby, not too shabby.